Let's get it. About 5 more horsepower on my damn phone, man. Yeah, clip it, man.
You gotta drop Jordan off. He said you gotta go back to the house and get
the big ass.
Oh snap! That goes my favorite BT commercial.
I'm coming up on the rough side of the mountain.
Who in the hell left the gate open? Bro, man, I don't know who the hell left the gate open, but you gotta get your big country ass up out of here, man. Let's roll, bro, man, roll.
Shit, man. We got to go ahead and do this shit right quick.
Ain't no grabbing, nigga. Ain't no grabbing, nigga.
Rico, you ain't strong as you think you is, Rico. Nah, I ain't gonna fight about that, man. Out of here. Get on baby
man
and take it back to Southside.
You trying to grab me,
You do
man.
something about the damn boots, though.
No, you need to do something about them boots in that shirt.
I got another shirt, nigga.
I know you
All
like
I need, man, I'm running these, nigga. Straight from the country, nigga. Straight from the country.
This sleep ass tank top.
Man, bring your ass on. They gonna be out here sick as a motherfucker, man.
Man, where the hell Spud at, man? Trying to go.
Yo.
What up, YouTube? You know, we back at it once again, like relapsing crack at it. We back at it. But this time a little different, though. You know what I'm saying? This time, man, we headed to go play paintball. And which is crazy. I think it was like a week ago, which marked a whole entire year, seeing it was the last time that I've been. I ain't been in a while, seeing that I had a whole lot of other things going on. It was nothing personal, it was just with the bikes and cars and everything else is going on, so I really didn't have a chance to do it. But man, like I said, man, we continue to keep moving forward. Man, it's 2020, man, we already up. You know, we doing major things. We had 19K subscribers, we're working our way to 20. Hopefully from that point forward, we're working our way to 100, man. Sky's the limit. Hopefully we'll be at 100 by the end of the year. How possible it is, but anything is possible in this YouTube game. But we're headed over here now, and I'm not gonna bore you with the like the B-rolls of just me riding traffic. I mean, because that's so cliche. I mean, I do this in so many videos. I just hate continue to bring the same thing over and over again. And by the way, man, I appreciate you guys dropping comments and likes on the new video editing. It's still me. I'm still doing all the video editing. It's just I tried different techniques to see if I can add a little bit more flavor to my videos, a little cinematic feel, you know, nothing too major. But right now, man, not to talk your head off without any further ado, we're on the way, and I will get back with you when I'm there, okay? Okay, but man, like I said, I appreciate the love and support. Like, share, subscribe, you know, tell a friend about the live YouTube channel that's out right now. BOONE'S Vlog, we're on the way, 2K20 and beyond.
Lights out, lights out.
Man, look at him. So we got him. Everybody chronoed up. Suavesky, baby.
That's alright.
Some chrono there, ready to go. Shit.
How you reckon somebody went now? They turn it on around?
Yeah, press the button to the light up.
That's it for
right
this
there
one.
behind that other car.
Yeah.
Do not go out of bounds.
Which way y'all going? Everybody go to the right. Everybody go to the right. We all gonna flank out. Let's get it. Oh shit! Don't go inside. Woo! Watch yourself. Ray, what you got over there, bro? Your gun here. What's that?
Hold it down on this, bro. Hold it down, bro. Oh shit! What the boy? What y'all got over there? Hey, y'all watch over in the trench. Watch over in the trench. Watch over in the trench. Watch out! Don't shoot me! They coming over? What the hell you mean? Hold on, I need to go back. I got a ball, bro. I had a ball, bro. Hey, they over here on the cut. They over here on the cut. Fuck. Oh shit. Woo. Hey, watch. Hey, Spud. Hold it down over, Spud. Hold it down over, Spud. Hold it down. You still in. Ooh. Hey, they over in the building, boy. Hey, Spud, hold cover, boy. Spud, get right here and shoot. Marquis in that building right now. Marquis in that building. Woo! Hold on. Oh shit. Oh yeah. What? We on the same team or what? we didn't call the truth. We ain't gonna shoot each other like that.
You gonna walk out?
Yeah.
That was game one of many more to come. Matt got his ass fired up. Anyway, Matt.
Hit nail time.
What you lame ass up? He got his ass fired up. Marquis too. But man, good game though, man. I'm gonna say I fared pretty well though. You know, I laid down the fight like I usually do. You know what I'm saying? Cause that's what I'm gonna do. I'm a real gunner. Big shooter. I'm living like that. Yeah. Get back on the field. Matt has some technical difficulties. I'm having some too. I gotta clean my barrel out. Then when we get back on this field, I'm gonna bring y'all some more footage of me hitting. You know what I'm saying? Cause that's what I do.
They all gone, bro.
Are you fat, greedy mother?
I got chili cheese dogging.
What kind of shit is that?
Dog. Oh, man. Somebody about to hook.
Yeah, they spicy though. I want to eat it. That's on y'all. That's one. They spicy.
Got chili cheese, dog. I'm trying to wipe my fingers. Man, I don't rain it on.
They don't show dead, bro.
I'm trying to wipe my fingers, man.
Oh, excuse me.
I'm sorry, that's my
Yeah.
Marquis, you asked that man, can you box something like you finna damn die across the damn thing? You finna see y'all, bro?
Yeah. What?
Hold on.
What the fuck?
They're all different things. You need to focus on him. Don't worry about it.
All right.
No, I ass with him, man. Which one?
Look here. This is gameplay. We're gonna split up into twos. Everybody, somebody. And if you gotta reload or somebody, just get somebody to keep you some cover following you. The main focus is the big dude with the red on. Watch it. Watch that. Yeah, just stick to the right. Just stick to the right. We need him. Get him out first, and we'll worry about everybody else later. Hey, watch him to the left. I ain't coming to the. He try to push to the right. Hey, he right there behind the big train. Y'all just hold him down. Y'all hold him down to the left. Just hold him down. He out. All right. That's all we needed. All right. Push up. Y'all push up. Push up. Woo! Yeah. I gave it to him. I was on him the whole while. I said, I told them, I said, y'all just keep him contained. As long as we keep him contained wherever he run to. Our main focus was to take care of. When we got him out, everything else was around.
Y'all would have probably lost me. I'd have been right here shooting all of.
Okay, but you didn't see why I was, did you?
I did.
You saw why I was?
I knew exactly where you were.
You know what?
Boy, if you don't. Yeah, you were fucking. You were in this cancer and that snake.
Oh.
think I was gonna.
We watched you the whole time.
I would have shot through. I would have just.
You know how many people we had sitting on this side?
I'd have held you in.
We were watching you the whole time. We had you.
Just you. We just wanted you.
We get you out. That was the whole plan.
I'm trying to see how many I can fit on.
See, when you came right here and you said you saw me.
You were actually better off if you would have stayed in that corner. Because when you came out,
I can't shoot it from there. I'd have to move out.
I'm trying to tell you. I didn't get hit. Okay.
you didn't get hit.
Cole, you stupid. Look at your elbow. How I got hit? I probably landed on one of them, bro. I didn't get hit.
I don't know what this boy be thinking about. But every time, dog. Every time. Y'all had to excuse him. He's kind of.
I don't feel the seat. You don't see all this stuff on your eye.
You don't think you stupid either, but hey, you prove us wrong every damn time. Stupid, are you?
Earlier, can I sit right here? Right there. We even did with it, man. Okay.
Really?
Nah, I'm gonna get hit more than y'all.
Whew.
Come on, goddamn. Ooh. Ooh, Lord. Ain't gonna get me today. Unless they come shoot me in the booty.
Gay!
Huh? Hell no. Got arrested. Oh, you better throw your hands up.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I'm on. I'm on.
Win the basic scenario test. You having fun?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, so.
Oh, yeah. Trying to follow. Mount up! You about the dumbest they come, dog. Nowhere.
Don't go that way. Just don't go outside. Check it out. Your main objective is to kill everybody inside the base. They don't have to like.
He just told him this damn self.
Cole, you stupid.
I should shoot him in his ass. I should shoot you in your ass right now.
But you know, some people live after a shot.
You about the dumbest they damn come, man. I should. It's alright on, stupid.
Stupid. Hold on, y'all. This is making my day.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Hey, I just seen somebody jump up over there. They can't move from that thing. They can't? They can't come out.
Oh, they can come out.
Well, they right down.
Y'all go ahead. Y'all go ahead. Go ahead. What's up? One eye, right there. One eye. Yeah. You got his man fired up. Yeah, I see him. Right there too. Yeah, I see him right up. Hey, creep up on home. Hey, right up. Woo! That's right. Oh, I'm about to say. They shooting at me. Spud right over there shooting. They chopping my damn balls up. Hey. Don't lay down and go fight. Oh shit. Marky's right there. They can't come out. Come fight. Lay down and go fight. Just lay down and go fight. Shoot. Okay. They can't see me over there. They can't see me over there. That one will take. But hold on, we don't need them late night cover fight. They ain't doing shit. Come on, bar. Shit. Damn, bro. I ain't got too many more. We gotta make a run for it. Back that way, so they don't even know I'm right here. Just go back that way. Go forward. Here I come. Here I come. Here I come, goddamn. Woo! I got you now. I got you. That ain't gonna work. That ain't gonna work. I'm coming. I am coming. I'm coming. Come on. Hold on. Get out. Go, get down. Get out of that. Get out of there. Look, here. You can get shot. Lay down in the cover fire that way. You see him? Shoot him. Just lay down in the cover fire. Lay down in the cover. You got some more paint? Come out of there. Let me see. Okay, boy. Ready. Let me know when you go. Ready? You see anything? There they go. Oh, they're in the back corner. I got some footage. Go ahead. I got your cover fire. Go ahead. Yeah, we know. That guy. Woo! No.
No, you wasn't.
Yes, the hell I was.
If you was shooting my kid, I wouldn't have got mad at you if you wasn't.
Why it took you 10 minutes to refill
Why
your shit?
BOONE'S thing was over in that corner
Why
then?
it took you 10 minutes to refill your shit?
This is how you know.
Why it took you 10
When a
minutes?
nigga got
You
that
had
attitude.
one of mine. You were right
No,
there
you
with
didn't
me.
say that. I said, I need some ammo.
If we on the same team,
Oh,
you
my
could've got
God.
one. Now, if we on the same team, you could have
Every time you see an argument with two people on the same team,
man.
they lost 9 times out of 10.
I'm
They
gonna tell you
lost.
what it was. No, I'm gonna tell you what it was. I'm gonna tell you what it was. Oh, my bad. Well, I'm gonna tell you what it was. See, Rico was scared. He got scared because he kept getting shot at. That's why it took him 10, 15 minutes just to refill his pump.
Hey.
I would take you. I would take too long.
Like I said, it took too long to refill your pump.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't. I had to go find ammo.
I had it on my back.
And my buddy, Rusty. True or false now? True or false? Buddy told me
But I had
he'll
it.
take my whole gun.
I had it on my. Who said take the whole one?
I don't know.
Oh, he wasn't laying down. No fight there. He said take the whole.
He was out, bro.
He was out. Oh, Rico, you sorry.
What?
You sorry, bro.
What? No, what? Hey.
Yeah.
I'm like, you gonna get shot and run back. Look at me.
You don't need to say that right now.
You get shot
Hey,
and run back.
Rico said, you got some paintball? I said, bro, I ain't got the this last one. I read he was sitting there waiting on me to get it to him. I pulled it in the
Don't put all the paintballs in the damn thing.
I need mine.
Hey, if you would have seen it down, I'm back there like that right here, sport. I'm back there like, oh shit.
I gave it to you.
Trying to get it up. Yeah, but Rico right there beside me.
You gonna walk around with on your bike? Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.